The Bosch AquaStar 125B tankless water heater has several common issues that owners frequently encounter. Understanding these problems is crucial since this unit has been discontinued since 2006 and spare parts are no longer available. The most common issue is no hot water at all. This typically occurs when the pilot light won't ignite, which can be caused by several factors, including a blocked gas supply, faulty igniter, dirty thermocouple, or a malfunctioning gas valve. Another frequent problem is the unit cutting off mid-cycle or failing to stay on. This is often caused by a dirty air filter, thermostat issues, gas supply problems, or obstructions in the venting system. Insufficient hot water is another common complaint. The AquaStar 125B only provides about 4.3 gallons per minute, which is enough for one major application at a time. Additionally, mineral buildup from hard water can significantly impair the heater's function. Finally, the AquaStar 125B displays various error codes when problems occur. The most common are EC indicating combustion loss, AD showing power has been derated, and EA pointing to air supply or exhaust issues. These codes help identify specific problems, but often require professional diagnosis. When troubleshooting your Bosch AquaStar 125B, start with these basic steps. First, ensure both gas and water supplies are fully open and free of any blockages. Next, clean or replace the air filter, check your thermostat setting, and inspect the system for any visible blockages in pipes or venting. Now let's examine the actual unit. Here's the Bosch AquaStar 125B with its control panel and key components. For insufficient hot water issues, test for plumbing crossover. Turn off the cold water supply to the heater, then open all hot water faucets and wait 5 minutes. Regular maintenance is crucial. Flush your water heater every 6 months to combat mineral buildup, especially if you have hard water. If you encounter error codes, try resetting the system by holding the on-off button for 3 seconds. This simple reset can resolve many temporary issues. However, given that the AquaStar 125B has been discontinued since 2006, finding professional service and replacement parts is increasingly difficult. Upgrading to a newer, more efficient tankless model is often the most practical and cost-effective solution. While basic troubleshooting can resolve some issues, the age and discontinued status of the AquaStar 125B make upgrading the most reliable long-term solution for consistent hot water performance.